You won't believe it, but this Bible was printed with a spelling mistake on the cover. This Bible was designed by a professor from South Africa. He's part of the Sacred Name movement, a group focused on the using of what they believe to be the original names of God. He was republishing an American Bible called The Restoration of the Original Sacred Name. The professor tried to spell the name Yahvah in Hebrew, but accidentally made a pretty big mistake. And get this, for 3 years they did not even notice the mistake until someone finally pointed it out. Instead of using the correct letter He, he used the letter Tav. And not just that, he also added 2 Alephs, which don't belong there at all. Here's the issue. Using Tav instead of He changes the word entirely. And those extra 2 Alephs, they just add more confusion. If you were to pronounce this word, it would sound like Yatvat, definitely not Yahvah. Now, instead of reprinting the Bible, the professor made a public announcement suggesting that you could fix the spelling mistake on the cover with a sharp knife or a black marker. This is why it's so important to be diligent when working with sacred texts. A small mistake can completely change the meaning of a word. It's also a reminder not to blindly trust anyone who calls themselves a professor or an expert. Always double check the sources and the facts, especially when it comes to something as important as the name of God. My name is Arend, Botha. If you found this interesting, follow for more interesting insights on biblical history and language.